Hey guys, today I'm going to be making lemon ginger shrimp stir fry. So let's get started. So what I'm going to be using today is some pre-cooked frozen shrimps, some green peppers, some sliced carrots, 1 white onion chopped, garlic chopped, some coriander, sugar snow peas, 1/4 cup of butter, and of course President's Choice lemon ginger stir fry sauce. So let's get started. So first what we'll be doing is we're going to be melting our butter. And then we're going to be adding in our onions. And our garlic. And then we'll be adding in our carrots. And now we're just going to fry it until the carrots start to change color. Now we're going to be adding in our peas. And now we're going to let this fry until it's a little soft. So now I'm going to be adding in my shrimps. Make sure not to leave them in there for too long because they are already cooked. So now I'm going to add about half a bottle of the sauce. And then I'm going to be adding in my coriander. And finally my green peppers. So you're going to let it come to a boil, and then after we are going to be covering it, and we are going to put our stove on low, and then we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes.